Welcome back, my dear children. Let me first congratulate of class 8 promoted to class 9. Till 8th standard, you learned science as a whole subject. Physics lesson, chemistry lesson, biology lesson. Together you can learn it as a science. From class 9, there will be a subject physics separately, chemistry separately, biology separately. Don't feel that chemistry is too difficult. It is very, very easy. You concentrate and you learn. Children, in chemistry you have 4 chapters. Let me explain the first chapter for you. This video is fully about the introduction of the chapter. Chapter 1 is matter in our surroundings. In our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, size, and texture. Our Indian philosopher, whatever happened in the world, it they classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements. You all know air, earth, fire, sky, water. We call it that one as a Panchatattva. But nowadays, in modern technology, scientists have two types of classified the matter into two types of classification. One is physical properties, another one is chemical nature. Physical properties means it considered as a matter. What is matter? How the matter is clarified. Matter is nothing but it has mass and volume. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Two theories based on this, the two theories is put forward about matter. What is that? Matter is made up of particles. Particles of matter are very, very, very small. We cannot see it with our naked eyes. How it has proved means by so many activities which is given in your NCERT syllabus. Activity 1. You have to take very minute particles of salt and with 100 ml of water. The water is changed into salt solution. What happens to the particles which added to the water? It keeps on dissolving and the water molecules allow the salt particles to occupy the space. So it's completely dissolved and changed into salt solution. Next one activity is potassium permanganate. Take a little potassium permanganate and add to 100 ml of water. Potassium permanganate is in purple color. The solution will be very dark purple color. From the 100 ml of dark potassium permanganate solution, take 10 ml and again you mix it with 100 ml of water. There will be a slight change in the color. But what happens to the particles? The particles is keep on continuously, it will keep on moving. So first salt solution, it will go and occupy the space. And second activity is particles are continuously moving. In the same way, incense stick. If you burn the incense stick and keep it in one corner of the room, the whole room will get a very good fragrant smell. Even children, you can do this activity at home. Take little drop of red ink or honey, you mix it with 100 ml of water. From that you take and mix it with till 1000 ml. You can see the particles are continuously moving, but will not be a change in the color. When you do this activity at home, you can understand the concept. Now, based on these activities, we come to the conclusion that what are the characteristic of particles. From the simple activity, we observe that particles are very small, number 1. Number 2, it has spaces between them. Number 3, it are continuously moving. Number 4, it will attract each other. How it attract each other means, for example, you all know solid particles. Solid particles are very much strong. We cannot break it with our hands. How? Because particles are very strongly attached and we cannot break it. So how the particles are arranged means, for attract, you should know states of matter. There are 3 states of matter are there: solid, liquid and gas. In the video it's typed as a matter. It is not a matter, it is a gas. How the particles are arranged? In solid, the particles are strongly bonded. In liquid, slightly loosened. In gas, very far away. The particles are arranged very far away. And when you are comparing the solid, liquid and gas, very important, solid have a definite shape. Liquid, it will take the shape of the container. Gas also, it is in the form of matter which have high compressibility and neither definite shape nor definite volume. Solids have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Example, rubber band, you know very well. Take the rubber band, changes shape under force and regain the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force you applied means it will break. Sugar and salt also take the shape of the container because the shape of each individual crystal remains fixed. That is why salt and sugar is considered as a solid substance. Solids will not diffuse. For this diffuse, what is the meaning means, it will slowly go and mixes with the water. Sponge is compressible, but it is considered as a solid because sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. Solid may break under force, but it is very difficult to change their shape. In the same way, liquids are almost incompressible. The particles of liquid is greater than that of gas, but less than that of solid. Density of liquid is generally less than that of solid form. Children, these are the basic differences between solid, liquid and gas. Gas have a tendency to flow as liquids do. They are also considered as fluids. Gases shows the property of diffusing very fast into another gas due to high speed of particles. So these are the basic fundamental properties of solid, liquid and gas. So first let me clearly explain the introduction of the lesson in this video. One more video will be uploaded how the salt mixes with water diffusion process will be uploaded for you. So 2 videos will be uploaded for you for class 9 and worksheets also will be sent to your parents' mobile, and please kindly go through the worksheets and make use of the worksheets along with this video. I hope this video will be useful for you in a better way, and also you can use it in a successful way. Kindly go through the NCERT syllabus. Please download the syllabus in your parents' mobile. Along with that chapter, video, worksheets, make use of this time in a precious way. Thank you, children.